sneezing, she's not coughing, nothing, right?
Nothing,
She doesn't
yeah,
have any
nothing,
discharge
yeah.
from eyes.
No.
Good. What kind of food is she?
Food box in the heart.
Yeah. Would you mind holding for me, Sharon? I'll just check the temperature.
Oh. Yeah, I...
Sorry, it's going to be quick.
Yes. Yes,
She's
Baby,
neutered.
baby.
She's neutered. Yeah? She
Yeah, yeah.
is neutered, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Baby, baby. Very good, huh? Today, huh?
She's not nice. She's happy with people or no?
But when I was putting this cage, I was like, oh my god. I was like, she knows that where we go.
Oh, that's okay.
When you go home, you have a treat for daddy.
Okay.
Leah, I'm happy, Leah.
Let's
Vaccinated
give you
now.
injections now. So she will receive 2 injections. Don't worry. Okay?
Leah.
You might be thinking, what am I going to do, right? See? It's nothing. It's a very quick injection. Don't worry about that. See? 1 down.
One
1
down.
more. It's the painful one actually. Okay.
Lee,
1 more.
behave. Just stand back.
It's okay. Okay, don't go. Let's go this side. It will be easy for you.
Madam Jasmine, she will be happy.
Done. See?
Yay,
And now
it's
we
done.
have a big needle here. Now the last thing, okay? This is quite a big needle. Where is my microchip reader?
Yeah, Anton. Anton already.
Time for chipping.
Sorry.
Sorry, she will scream, most probably. Because it's
Oh.
going to be... Oh, you're brave! Look at you!
Yeah.
Perfect. So there is a 15-digit number under her.
Yay.
It's done. Yeah? Don't worry. Go and sleep well, okay? She can be a little bit sleepy for the next 2 days even. 48.